Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So I'm sure senizwile le indaba lezi regarding uSinoxolo Qwayiba okumdlali woLorlando Pirates. Asithi nje njengamanje akasesiyena umdlali woLorlando Pirates. Remember ke this player joined Orlando Pirates and usedlale 6 months. He played 6 months and I don't remember him starting a game for Orlando Pirates. So Orlando Pirates ikhiphe umbiko ke yasho ukuthi we would like to thank uSinoxolo Qwayiba for his service as he returns to Chippa United on a permanent move. Umjida uzobuyela kuChippa United on a permanent move. Ngiyasaphinde ayidlalele Orlando Pirates because it looks like Orlando Pirates okwamanje abakwazi usibamutilize kahle. Yabo abanayo iposition angayidlala. Yabo so for me ukuthola le indaba angifuqa amanga sengiphathanga kahle but ke I understand. Yabo I understand. I feel like yabo ukusayina kwakhe uSinoxolo Qwayiba this was a Jose Rivero type of signing. Yabo kwakumdlali vele wayefuna uJose Rivero. I don't think this was a player owayefuna uAbdeslam Wadu. Yabo I'm sure uzoyibuza uyibuza kahle kahle uqonda ukuthini uvane la. uSinoxolo Qwayiba aqale ukumfuna manje kade saqala ukumfuna. Yabo this player Orlando Pirates ade aqala ukufuna umsayine lo mjini kodwa ayingayitholi ithuba lokuthi imsayine kahle. Yabo so njobe isimsayinile ke it's a pity uthi Jose wafika umjida esehamba uJose. Yabo wathi sefikile ke wathola ucoach omusha kuAbdeslam Wadu. Abdeslam Wadu is a different type of coach. Yabo one mentality ehlukile because I remember when umdlali uSinoxolo Qwayiba bese bemdlalisa as a striker bafethu edlaliswa uAbdeslam Wadu wayengayitholi indawo azomdlalisa kuyona because currently isquad soLorlando Pirates sinama talent amaningi. Yabo there are players who are going to play. Yabo so it's a pity umjida he's the first player Orlando Pirates sacrifice clearly win the league. Yabo namhlanje Orlando Pirates announced a new player okubani uAndre de Jong who will join Orlando Pirates odlala the same position ayidlalayo. So bengeke kube mnandi ngempela kuba nabadlali abaningi abangadlali abanye bedlala. So I think a move right for yena umjida abuyele kuChippa United okuyiclub vele abadlala kahle kuyona. Yabo and futhi Orlando Pirates ke it's a big club for him to play for club njenge Pirates. I don't think umjida ube ready. Usasemncane yena. Yabo usasemncane iminyaka isakhona usengakwazi aqhubeka adlale kahle but ke kwamanje umjida bele nje adlale kuChippa United aloku eqhubeka kanjalo. You can tell me in the comments how do you feel regarding this move that was made by Orlando Pirates. Maybe you can say a loan move was going to be better than a permanent move to Chippa United. But again, anything can happen. But if a coach eseshilo ukuthi I don't think this boy will survive in the current setup esinayo, I think that's the final decision eyenziwe team.